Your vision or dream is the result you would like to get from your efforts. Everyone has dreams, but successful people are those who turn their dreams into their goals. How about you? Do you set goals to achieve your dreams or just wish? Achieving goals takes time and is crucial for focus and direction. Setting goals helps you control your life and business and measure success. Long-term goals, typically set for 2 to 3 years, are essential. If a goal can be achieved in 1 or 2 months, it's not substantial enough. Short-term goals are smaller milestones that help you progress towards your dreams, often set for 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, or 5 years. Mountain climbing is like achieving goals. To reach the highest peak, you need effort, time, preparation, and proper equipment. Along the way, you'll encounter smaller peaks, which represent your short-term goals. These smaller peaks are milestones that provide satisfaction and indicate that you're getting closer to the main peak. Dream big because the human mind has no limits. Small dreams may lead to a lack of motivation once achieved. Break your big dreams into small, logical goals with realistic timeframes. Long-term goals can be demotivating if they take too long to achieve. Let's divide your dreams into 3 parts. Short-term goals, 1 week to 3 months. 2. Mid-term goals, 3 months to 18 months. 3. Long-term goals, 18 months to 5 years or more. Key points for setting goals. Goals should be clear and specific, e.g., exact phone model, price, storage, color. Goals must have a specific price and value. Goals should have a set deadline. Goals can include targets for team size, skill levels, or desired outcomes. Goals should be realistic and achievable, e.g., no villas on the moon. In our collection, everyone should reach a fixed profit. Without commitment, your goals are nothing more than a dream. Self-commitment means the promises we make to ourselves and we try to fulfill them. Time is the most important investment in this business, not the fee. Success requires at least 4 hours of daily work. Consistent dedication is crucial, as many fail due to lack of time investment. Those doubting the system's profitability should commit to 1 month of full-time or 2 months of part-time work to experience its benefits. This approach is compared to opening a closed restaurant, emphasizing the importance of time dedication. So don't forget that your capital to start and succeed in this work is time.